Back away, quick. Trevor, back away.
Yeah.
Hey, Cade, our fence is old. It will break.
That's Jack.
I mean, what did I say?
Jack, it's already falling.
Jack, you're going to break our fence. It's in such good shape.
It's 14 years old!
Shh, be quiet.
Do it again. Wait. Wait, let Ian.
Wait, Justice, guys, move for the camera.
Okay. All right.
Smile for the camera! Okay, everybody, back away. Ian, can I pull it with you? No, I want to pull it.
Go.
Okay. I can't see.
No, Ian.
Pull it. Hold the
No,
knife.
Ian. Hold.
Don't pull
Ian.
it.
Ian. Hold the bottle.